Hi guys! Today I am going to show you my version of how to cook ramen in minutes. And of course, be sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for more videos like these. Thank you for your support in advance. Let's get started. Today is ramen day. So my favorite ramen is from the brand Mama, and I am going to share with you how I cooked it. You are welcome to mix and match any ingredients you like. I am sharing with you what I have today. So first I'm going to open the package and boil my water, which is heating up right now. This type of noodle, I love the thickness of it. It's not spongy like other ramen noodles. I love that it is very, very thin and it soaks up pretty fast. It comes with a packet of chili pepper and seasoning. And I'm just going to put this in the boiled water right now. Here, you can follow me while I do this. It broke apart, but it's still good. Let's see. I'm gonna watch it boil. It only takes a few minutes, and it comes with also this packet of oil. I like staying a little more healthy, so I avoid this, and I just put a little bit of chili and a little bit of the seasoning. So this is the easy part. But when I like cooking ramen, I put different ingredients just so my body can digest a lot more nutrients. Not saying that ramen is completely healthy for you, but if I add like my basics, like meat and the vegetables, it makes ramen even more delicious. Extra, so I'm going to put it in here. Now my uncle made some barbecue, so I'm putting leftover food in here. It's chicken and shrimp. So I am feeling like I want some chicken, so I'm going to add that in there. This is great because if you're on a budget, putting in leftovers into your ramen is a lifesaver. You don't have to spend any money, and you're not wasting any food. Now, you also get the greens in here. You can add spinach, Napa cabbage, broccoli, anything really, as long as you have a good amount of veggies to boil with your ramen. And just wait and stir until it boils and you see your noodles soften. This literally takes under maybe 5 minutes. Once your water is boiled, everything cooks really fast. Sometimes I like to drain the water, and the seasoning is already soaked up in the noodles. So if you want to have dry noodles when the weather is hot, that works too. While you see everything is softened and darkened, it means it's ready to go. This is a simple dish that you can make for your family and friends, or just a midnight snack. Again, you're welcome to add whatever seasoning is best for your taste buds. I like to keep it basic. There you go. I'm pretty much done. I know that the noodles are fairly well cooked when I see that all the water is pretty much absorbed in there. It doesn't get as curly. And make sure you don't overcook it, or else your noodles are going to be really soggy. So I recommend taste testing your favorite noodle dish. All right, Thank you for watching. And that was, what, only 5 minutes. Have a great day, guys.